welcome back to another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, click the notification button below, and stay tuned to future videos. So before I don't post anything because of something, I didn't.
Wake up, everybody, wake up!
Yo, Paul. Say she in love with a star, man. And a bad man. Trinidad. Hey, yo. Latas.
Kelly on the beat, boy.
Yo, Kelly Beats. Them finna say. Every boss link up on the beach side. Say she let she man on the east side, big side. Cause she no think twice, say she want the long ride. Rev it out on the black bike. Rev it out on the black bike. On the uptown life. Mommy bring her in my life. Let me show you what the streets like. Yeah, this is the real life. Then she tell me what she feel like. She miss the honey and the beehive. I big because say she love bad man numbers. But she feel it dead all in, dead all in, dead all in.
So guys, I am going to be using a bowl, spoon, and a glue, which I nearly like it fall off. And I'm going to be using that is baking soda and water. And this is can actually see me. So I'm going to pour it in, pour in the glue. Then I'll be putting the baking soda and water. Put a little bit, and then I'm gonna be putting the activator, the contact solution. I'll be calling it that. So I'm gonna put in the contact solution. Then mix. And actually, you see the consistency is actually kind of forming. So yeah. So guys, I can actually see the consistency is getting formed, and it's like clear slime. So I'm going to put more baking soda and water, kind of like working properly. So that's why I put in there. And I bring the baking soda, as you can see over there, and I just zoomed in for no reason. Zooming. Yeah. So I put baking soda after, and it actually worked this time. Wait, I didn't put baking soda yet, I think. Now I put contact solution. Then I think I started mixing, which it looks like it's going to form, but it's unforming. That makes no sense, but it's unforming to me. And then I said that this contact solution is not working, because I look on YouTube and I saw someone make it with that, and it actually worked. So I saw them use baking soda, so I put the baking soda in there, and it actually worked. As you can see, I'm going to be putting the baking soda now because I know I've thought. And yeah, so guys, I'm going to use the baking soda now, which I did, and so I spilled a little bit there. And now it's actually activating. You can actually see. And I was so excited at the part because I didn't make slime for a long time after my house has burned down. So that's why I didn't do anything. So now I have the stuff to make it, and I actually see the consistency is so good. And it's supposed to have bubbles because I'm mixing it like wrong, but yeah, it's fine. So it's supposed to have bubbles.
I think it's big.
No. So guys, actually can see I put in more, and it's actually, you can actually see the consistency. It's like, oh my god, it's like amazing. So guys, I'm mixing and mixing.
Look from the mirror.
But I'm still mixing and mixing. And yeah, guys, not actually done yet. Well, it's turned high after, but it was soft. can actually see the soft consistency it have. I wasn't holding the phone. That bucket, the ice cream bucket, there was holding the phone. I was not holding it. So the slime is looking so fantastic right now.
Yeah, no go have fun.
The slime stretches amazingly.
I mean, look.
And the smell is, oh my god, so reflecting or something. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and press the notification bell down below, and stay tuned for future videos. So at the end of the video, I'll be showing my opening presents. So only have one video because the girl didn't send the next one. So yeah.